Why YouTube Shorts are important? Because it helps to increase user engagement, better monetization opportunities, greater reach and discoverability, showcase your products and services, then why not integrate them into your brand's website? So let's learn how you can achieve this. Go to our platform Taggbox and sign up for your 14 days free trial. After signing up, you will head up to the Taggbox app homepage. Complete these 3 steps in order to make a social widget. Add social feed, personalize and moderate them, and at last publish it on a web page. So let's start by adding a social feed. Taggbox has nearly all the major social media platforms to add feeds from, so here, select YouTube as your source network. You have different options to add the type of YouTube feed you wanted. Select Shorts and paste the YouTube channel URL, whose Shorts videos you wanted. Click on Create Feed. Your YouTube Shorts are fetched successfully. You can also private those feeds you don't want in your widget. After you are done moderating your feed, you can also use our exclusive CTA buttons feature that will help users navigate to your product or service pages. Just provide the button name, color, or a link to which it redirects. Enable the status and add it. Your CTA button is applied successfully and also working. Now go back and see how your widget looks like. Didn't like it? Well, you can make it more appealing by going to the design section and selecting a nice theme, which goes best with your Shorts videos and the website you put it on. Once you select your desired theme, you can further customize it, like adding a background to it, design or upload a banner, or changing the card style like card color, font, etc. And in the theme settings, you can enable or disable some more features of your theme like auto-update, shuffle posts, custom CSS, and more. Also, you can change the on-click behavior of the posts, total number of posts to display, number of columns, etc. Adding customizations and custom CSS adds a vibrant appeal to your widget. To access more features for your widget, go to Apps and More panel. There you can make your own custom post, add a profanity filter, turn on the auto moderation, highlight your hashtags, add custom CSS, and more. Now your widget is ready to publish on your web page. Just select the platform where you want to publish your widget. We are going to publish it on a web page. Select your CMS platform from the given options, and copy the type of code whether it is light code or iframe code. Now go to your website editor and paste the code on your desired web page. Your widget is live on your web page. Now start grabbing benefits of this widget by showcasing YouTube Shorts directly on your website. Later on, you can also track your website's performance by going to the Analytics section of our app. Here you can check the total posts, total impressions, visitors, posts clicks, and much more.